Hi guys, Annie here again from Premium Wrap. Today I have with me, or in this video, I have with me the C63 AMG, already wrapped in a beautiful blue color by Teckwrap, also wrapped by me, by the way. Sadly, I have to confess that this car is only wrapped like the whole body is like maybe 1 or 2 months ago, and the front bumper is wrapped again 2 weeks ago. Sadly, there were a lot of problems with this car from the beginning on. It's a whole story. I'm not gonna get into it very deep in this video, but those who follow me on Instagram and Facebook or social media in as whole already know what the story is about this car. So short explanation is that this car is wrapped in Teckwrap velvet blue, awesome color, like I said, but in my personal opinion, and I'm not the kind of guy that goes online and talks trash about brands or companies or whatever, but this vinyl, in my opinion, my personal opinion, so I don't care whatever you think, but in my personal opinion, this vinyl is shit. I have been wrapping since 2018. I have had already a lot of material in my hands. I tested a lot. I know for myself, and I can tell with confidence that I can wrap. I know what I do, but with this vinyl, I don't know, everything from the beginning on, even the hood. I always start with the hood as a warm-up. Even the hood was difficult. It was hard to wrap. The finish is not what I expected, or is not what my normal finishes would be. Yeah, so the car in its whole is beautiful from afar, but if you come closer, it's kinda shit. That being said, this car is being rewrapped again, so I'm gonna take everything off and then rewrap again in 3M vinyl. The color I'm wrapping is the pine green metallic matte. Very beautiful color. I already did a Porsche Cayman last year in the same color, excuse me, and it was beautiful. It was stunning, especially with all the black accents, the wheels and the black trims. It's gonna look amazing. So I'm gonna put on my camera and I will make a time lapse on removing the blue color. Then I will clean everything and hopefully we are ready today or tomorrow to start wrapping again. So this customer is back happy. All right, let's go. What's up guys? As you see, the AMG is done. We are done with wrapping. The color is called 3M Matte Pine Green Metallic from 3M. I really love this color. My wife loves this color. Other people that walk by here, look at this beautiful location. People that walk by here also love this color. It's fucking amazing. I'm really happy this time with how everything turned out, how everything is finished, how it went when wrapping. It went way better than with Teckwrap. So I really enjoyed it, wrapping this again with a little heart. I'm gonna be honest. Customer also has a little heart about it. He already saw the result. He was absolutely in love. He loved it. He said it for himself. The finish is way better than with Teckwrap. So my confidence is back up. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments. Give me a like, give me a follow. If you're not following me on social media, get there and follow me so you can get up to speed on my current projects that I'm doing. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed it too. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.